109,710. And then 3149 is the cut. So the cut generates everything, right? The cut number. You could have 20 fills in that,
Yes,
all with
yeah,
different numbers, and
all
some of those
cut.
numbers you could find later on and go, oh shit, there's another fill there, and when you're drawing it. So we don't care what the numbers are; they don't have to go in a sequence, but as long as they're driven by the fact that they're in within
cut.
3149.
So you know they're in there.
Yeah, yeah. But we're lucky; you just got one. So
Not more than one fill streak.
So yeah,
So
we're
that's
just gonna
blank.
so we're just gonna do our
3150.
3150. Yeah.
Okay. Feature type is a fill.
So the feature type is a
Oh,
ditch.
it's a ditch.
Ditch. Yeah.
Not the.
Yep. So fines.
Gosh, right.
So
Pottery
again,
and bone.
RB
RB
pot
pottery.
and animal bone. Yeah.
Yeah, you can really feel that heat.
Yeah, really.
Good luck next week.
Yeah, thanks.
Contest number ENN. Oh, wait,
So no, the context number is going to be 3150. That's your fill.
Oh, right.
So now we're talking about the fill.
Yeah.
So the color,
Colour.
right? It's so I'm going to tell you what it is. It's
Yeah.
a dark grey brown. Everything's a dark grey brown. And then the composition is a silty sand. So that means it's got like a lot of sand in it, and then but the silt has gone in and it's fine. Yeah.
Yep.
If it's a clay thing, you'd understand the difference, but that's
Yes.
silty sand. Yeah.
Silty sand.
Okay. Inclusions, and I would say small fragment or small limestone fragments, which is accurate.
I've spelled occasional wrong, forgive me.
But that's okay, we know.
Occasional small limestone fragments.
Yeah, yeah.
Compaction is going to be.
Oh, you dug it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Did you need to whack it hard? Did it come out easy?
Did.
So it's
And
quite firm or compact, basically.
It's firm and compact.
So
So
yeah,
right, so
do
for those-
compact. Compact's fine. Yeah,
Compact.
it's fine. That's fine.
Not
yeah.
firm.
No,
Okay.
it's fine.
Thickness.
Thickness is just the depth, basically, which was what was it? 18. Something like that. It says on your sheet.
18 centimeters.
Yeah, 18 centimeters.
Clarity.
Clarity.
It's pretty good at the bottom.
I'd say it's good. Yeah.
Good.
You're right. Yeah. So yeah, that's where we're looking for the clarity there.
Disturbance. No.
Samples again, no, none. Just got a line. Yeah. And then interpretation. So how did it get filled in? Was it filled in over a long period of silting up?
No.
I don't think so either. Actually, I
don't
think it was
was.
deliberately backfilled.
I think so. From
Yeah.
the limestone and the mortar.
Yeah.
It's backfill.
I think it's deliberately backfilled. So I would just put that deliberate backfill.
Deliberate backfill. Maybe even building material.
Yeah, yeah.
Just
yeah.
chucked.
But as I say, it's just how it happened. It doesn't matter what's in it. It's how it happened. Deliberate backfill.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. And then you do your mini matrix there. So in the oval, you put your 3150, and then whatever's above it and whatever's below it.
Zero, zero, two.
And that is done. That's it. See, this is for the next fill. So if you had 3 fills,